A cinematic close-up reveals the stunning contrast. The angular lines of the Aventador Argos Orange Aventador.
Keep it coming slowly, watch the left side.
Clear on the right, just a little more.
All right, stop right there.
The extent of this river grime is incredible.
We'll need to disassemble the front to clean it properly.
I'm more worried about the under.
As you can see, the corrosion on this Aventador S is extensive, reaching the carbon substrate beneath the Aventador Argos finish.
Okay, the last bolt is clear. Can you take the weight?
Yes, slowly tilt it out.
Easy now. This thing is much heavier than it looks.
Watch the wiring harness on your side as we clear the door.
Mounted here is the legendary V12 from the 2024 Aventador S. Despite the grime, the engineering precision is evident.
A closer look at the V12 piston reveals extensive corrosion. The pitting suggests prolonged exposure to moisture, severely impacting performance.
In the meticulous world of supercar maintenance, the wiring harness replacement demands surgical precision.
Ensure the torque specs on cylinder 7 are precise.
Confirmed. The wiring harness is secured according to the schematic.
Every final assembly, key engine components undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet factory specifications. Every weld on the Aventador S chassis undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure peak performance and safety.
Coat is applied with precision, building up the depth and brilliance of the signature color.
Okay, make sure that bundle clears the steering column.
Got it. Clicking into place now.
Clear on the left side.
Steady, just a few more millimeters.
It's seated.
Okay, easy now. Watch the paint on the chassis.
I'm clear. Bring it in slowly. The alignment looks good.
Hold the weight steady.
It's aligned. I'm securing the bolts now.
Let's test the mechanism.
Sounds good, right?
Absolutely flawless.
The lambda values are stable across all banks.
Okay, let's finalize the adaptation reset. Verification complete.
The heart of the beast, the legendary V12, awakens after years of silence.